Please join me in walking around our model. This is called our St. James, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath model. It is one of our classic units. Classic units meaning that it has all carpet and white or black appliances. Welcome home. We also have this model in a renovated unit. I don't have one to show today, but our renovated units mean they would have hardwood floors throughout except for carpet in the bedroom, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops in the bathrooms and the kitchen. Here we come into the kitchen. Again, with the classic, we do have the black appliances in this unit with the white cabinetry, a large open kitchen with a bar for entertaining. And this unit comes with a washer and dryer and black appliances. We have a pantry right here, as well as the washer and dryer room. Then we move on to the guest room, which is to the left of the door. And you see our coat closet, plenty of space for a vacuum cleaner, and ample room for a king or queen size bed with lots of natural light from the windows. We have a nice walk-in closet, plenty of space for all your clothes, and the guest bathroom that you can enter from 2 ways. Privacy through the bedroom, and for your guests through the hall. Lots of counter space and cabinet space with the large garden tub. Let's move on to the living room. Large living room with a fireplace. And of all our 2 bedrooms have a sunroom for a desk or children's play area, which leads out to our balcony. With a 3x5 storage unit attached. Coming back in, we're going to go directly to the master bedroom. This closet is on the right, is for our HVAC, and this closet is for a linen closet. Now to our master bedroom. Again, it would fit a queen or a king, and it also contains a large walk-in closet. The private bathroom. Again, lots of counter space and cabinets underneath. And it comes with our large garden tub. Moving back out to the kitchen area, we will see the dining room. See that nice bar and open kitchen. Come join us for a tour today. Again, this is a St. James Classic, 2-bedroom, 2-bath.